Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Today I'm going to give one new project which is a stock management system. Yes guys, to manage the stocks, see the price, the current price, how much it's above to the current price, the all things in this will I will going to show you. I have made this. So let's see guys. Project before that I want to remind you, please like, subscribe and share the video guys, and join my telegram channel. So as we usually we know, we have to first start the XAMPP server. Yes guys, XAMPP server, this you can see here. First to Apache and MySQL I have started already. So I have set up the entire project already guys. Just I'm going to show you, and I will provide the source code in telegram channel. So let's go on the Google Chrome. You can use any browser. See guys, I'm using the finhub.io API key to fetch the current price of the API. Here you can see the BTC USD, ETH USD, EHR. There is the name of the stocks. It is company wise. APL is the Apple company, MSFT is the Microsoft, AMZN is the Amazon. So see guys, there is the database for manage this all things. There you can see a stock management database. There have a lot portfolio, stock analysis, a stock data and users. So this is the interface guys, in which I have logged in already as a Subham. You can see here there is the option to log out in profile. See, this is the option profile. Here you can edit the name. I'm showing you. See guys, if you will save changes. Yes guys, you can see here Subham Rajit has been changed. Here you can see the alerts that I have already made. In alert you will see the alerts message. Here you can give the alerts. I will show you later. In dashboard, first let's search some stock, company stock symbol like IBM. Search. Yeah as you can see, it has been fetched all the data which you have shown you. There is the showing that company name, the company logo, that the current price, the price history of IBM. It will show all thing here. You can see here it is showing with the date, time, high, low, close, volume, everything it is showing us. And if I will show you the another was the Amazon. Yes, as you can see, it is showing the Amazon as for the Apple. Yes, as you can see the Apple. For the Microsoft guys, you can see here it is showing the details very, it is working perfectly. So now I'm going to show the portfolio. See guys, there is the portfolio section in which you can see the add a stock, set price alert, and the active alerts which you will set. Even you can delete. As you can see, it has been deleted. See guys, so if you will go in alert, you can set the alert also. So now the target price IBM correct price is 264. So let's put this symbol, a stock symbol. The current price of IBM is 264.74 dollars. So let's put the 265. Now let's below. See guys, it has been added here. Yeah, the stock price is below, so it is showing here the triggered. But if I will put the same thing for the 300 above, see guys, yeah guys, you can see here it is active when the current price will be reach $300, then it will show the triggered. Here even you can delete this. See, you can delete the alerts. So so this is the functionality guys. Even you can log in here also. If you will log out, there you can log in. Sorry guys, I have to see the name. I forget. SUBHEIM Raj. SUBHEIM Raj. The password is 12345 and 6. There guys, you can see we have logged in. See, I'm showing once more IBM. Yeah guys, you can see it is showing perfectly, working perfectly. So guys, if you want the source code, like, subscribe and share my video. I will provide the source code in my Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link will be in the this video description. So thank you for watching guys. Love you.